If you are curious to see what the new Squish balance bike looks like, and you like to watch unboxing YouTube videos, then keep watching. This video is most definitely for you. Hi, my name is Steve from Fox Cycling, and that's me on the video unboxing the new Squish balance bike. So while I am struggling to get the pull the saddle off, while I'm struggling to get the balance bike out of the box, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a history to Squish. So Squish child-specific bikes are owned by Dawes. Dawes is a very long-standing British cycling brand, and Squish have been on the market for around about 2.5 years. They came onto the market to compete directly with Frog and Isla. They come in cheaper than Frog and Isla, and the features, the design are very similar, so they're doing very well. This is the first time Squish have offered a balance bike, surprisingly. For the last 2.5 to 3 years since they have been selling pedal bikes, there has been a growing demand for Squish to provide a balance bike. So that is what they've done, and as you can see, as I'm removing the packaging, this is what it looks like. You'll notice, particularly if you look at one of the videos that we've done previously to this unboxing video, I showed the difference between the Squish balance bike and the Frog balance bike, and as I'm again taking off the wrapping and the protective paper there, you can see it doesn't look too dissimilar to the Frog balance bike. So let me give you a little bit of a bit more information about this Squish balance bike. So it only comes in blue at the moment because this is the first one they have offered. So I think they're getting a feel for what the demand is like before they start producing more balance bikes in different colours. And Frog did the same. Frog started with fewer colours, and as they became popular, they introduced more colours to the range. This Squish balance bike here, they only do in one size, and that is the 12-inch wheel. It is your standard middle of the road balance bike size wheel. It is the same as the Frog Tadpole. The standover height on this Squish balance bike is around 27.5 centimeters. Now it's important to remember that when looking at balance bikes and pedal bikes, i.e. the size of them, the guide is only a guide. You should always try the bike before you buy the bike, because a guide is only a guide. And of course at Fox Cycling we have a full fleet of balance bikes and pedal bikes for you to be able to come down by arrangement to try and to demo to make sure the bike you're getting is the right fit for your child. The features on this balance bike are very similar to the features you see on, for example, the Frog Tadpole. And again, if you look at another video that I did earlier, I'm comparing the features with the Frog. But you'll see on the balance bike here that I'm putting together, you have proper rubber air-filled tyres, proper rubber tyres, which gives you really good grip. You have a very slim, lightweight frame. You also have you also have a headlock system, which means you cannot turn the handlebars all the way around. The balance bike comes with a brake and an easily adjustable saddle. The frame is lightweight. The frame comes in at 3.86 kilograms, which is very light. And the price of the balance bike comes in at £139.99. The Frog Tadpole equivalent comes in at £190. So there's quite a difference in terms of the cost, and the difference in quality, well, they are the same quality. They are almost identical. So that's a little bit of background about the Squish balance bike. You can see here now that I'm just attaching the handlebars. The handlebars are straight handlebars rather than a riser handlebar. And again, if you look at another video on the difference between Squish and Frog, you'll see what I mean with that. So you can see now it's taking shape. I think it's a really nice, very cool looking balance bike, and I believe that they have the geometry really well thought out on this balance bike. The Squish balance bike sits a little bit lower at the front of the bike compared to the Frog, which means it is easier to control and able to get more speed. So that's it. That's the Squish balance bike in all its glory, looking really nice, very snazzy. If you want to come down and try the Squish balance bike at Fox, you are welcome. Just give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to see you. That's me done. I'm going for a cup of tea. Have a lovely day.